This is Ananda, Leeke, host of the Thriving Mindfully show on the Eaton Radio. It's the after show. It's April the 19th. No, it's the 20th. Woo! I'm still in full moon zone. I'm sitting next to Yael Flusberg, who was a guest today. We talked about Yael's life, this thing called resiliency, and all of the beautiful things that she's been able to learn and live and give in her gifts as a yoga therapist, a poet, a Reiki Master, a leadership coach, and organizational facilitator. Yael, can you just tell me 3 words about your experience today?
Unique, spring, grounded.
All right. And when you think about mindfulness, what is that for you?
Being aware and present of what's happening right now.
All right. And then the word resilience, what does it bring up for you?
Fortitude, the ability to get through, come back to your center, the ability to integrate all of your experience and become a richer, more complex and beautiful person. The ability to love all parts of your life, including the shitty parts, the ability to connect in community with other people who have gone through what you have.
Thank you, and I love your keep it real New York spirit. So if you want to learn more about Yael, go to yaelflusberg.com. That's YAELFLUSBERG.com. Find me at anandaleek.com, and thanks again. Bye.
Thank you.